Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Medical Brickware. Today I'll be bringing this. Set number 75375, the Millennium Falcon midi-scale chef. It contains $921 and it's $85 USD. But of course right now is Black Friday weekend and also it's going to be Cyber Monday tomorrow. That's the time for this. Right now the price is like 20% off on Amazon. I don't know if the Lego is doing the same sale, but then Amazon you could get it for like 20% off or something like that. So here's the front of the box. Here's the back of the box. Here's the side of the box, and here's the other side of the box. Of course, with all these sets, they contain no minifix, but maybe there might be some sticker elements or maybe mostly printed, but we'll take a look inside, okay? So let's take a look inside, see what's inside. So interesting. So this set, a friend of mine bought it for me in the US. So this set contains paper bags, which is good and it's good for the environment. So this bag number one, bag number two, bag number three, bag number four, bag number five, bag number six, number seven, number eight, number nine, number 10, and number 11. So it contains 11 bags of parts. And of course, this special tune that goes to the engine, behind the engine. And of course, the instruction book right here. Okay. And looks like no stickers inside, which is good. So I should just have the build straight with no problems. So in this case, I will use my digital instructions that I learned from the Lego website. And now I will unlist the bags and do the build. So this is the finish of the set number 75375, the midi-scale Millennium Falcon. Here's one side, here's the front, here's the other side, and here's the back with the blue tubing. So here's the printing piece right here, which is all print, and also the 25th anniversary pack, as this is a 25th anniversary set because it doesn't come with the minifigure. So it's not too bad on the bill. So you build part of it first, and then you put the stand in there, and then build the rest of the ship. And of course, on the back, this is a blue tubing, which you connect with the two connector pieces right there. And of course, got the famous Millennium quad blasters. And of course, that's the cockpit and things like that. Of course, there's some fragile part right here, which you want to be careful where the cockpit is. So you have a little fragile, but it took me several tries to put it together correctly. Of course, there's no sticker in this set, which is good. I'm sure those people who don't like stickers would like probably like this set because it has no stickers on it. And of course, and even these grills, they are printed as well. And the display stand with a nice build as well. So so if you like, it's bigger than I thought when I finished building it, as you notice by the scale of this size. So which is good. And of course, most of these midi ships are display models, which if you like display models, you could get them as well. So that's it. Of course, right now Amazon is having as well till the Cyber Monday of some of these sets, including which includes this set right here, which I'm sure you will like. So if you like this video, please comment, put a like, and subscribe, and leave a comment on what you'd like to see next. And also leave a comment below if you want me to get the bigger Millennium Falcon, the midi scale, or if you want me to get any more of this midi scale ships. And that's it. So have a mega fantastic day, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.